This is Claire for Blockchain of Things. In this tutorial, we'll create a flow containing the Migrate Asset Node. If you don't know what a Migrate Asset Node is, make sure you check out the previous tutorial titled Understanding the Migrate Asset Node. Let's begin. Drag and drop the Migrate Asset Node from the Catenis Flow palette on the left-hand side of the interface to the Node Red workspace. Double-click on the node to display the Properties slide-out panel. On the Device drop-down field of the Properties slide-out panel, choose your Catenis virtual device. Add the node's configuration information to each field of the Properties slide-out panel based on your needs. Wire this node to a debug node. Next, drag and drop an inject node into your workspace. Wire the inject node to the Migrate Asset node and double-click the inject node to open its Properties slide-out panel. In the Payload field, select the JSON type and click the ellipse button to display the JSON edit box. Enter your JSON information, for example, something like this. Then click the red Done button. Then click the red Deploy button. Now, let's test the flow. Click the button on the inject node to send the input through the flow. The debug sidebar should now display an estimate of the migration fee. Now, double-click the inject node to open up its Properties panel and change the Estimate Only option to false. Deploy and run the flow again. The debug sidebar should now display the return JSON object containing the API call results. To ensure that the export has been performed correctly, you can use the Asset Migration Outcome node, the List Asset Migrations node, or you can get the transaction ID from the returned JSON object and check the transaction using a block explorer. Awesome! Now you should understand how to use the Migrate Asset node in your own flow.